Did you know there's a mysterious sound that only some people can hear? It's called the Taos Hum, a low-frequency noise reported by locals since the 1990s. Strangely, only 2% of people in the area can hear it. Some describe it as a distant engine or a deep rumble. Scientists tried to find the source: machinery, radio waves, even mass hysteria, but nothing was ever proven. Some believe it's a secret military experiment, or even something out of this world. To this day, the Taos Hum remains one of the most unsettling modern mysteries. Could you hear it? Follow for more strange facts.